am super excited about this bag. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review about one of the bag from the Parisa Wang. If you are not familiar with this brand, this is a New York based brand and they are making beautiful bags, and I'm so glad that I purchased one. And let's get started. First of all, it comes with a very beautiful color box, and when you open this one, it was actually not a true unboxing. You can see the box is here. Inside the box it's written the Parisa Wang, New York, and it comes with a beautiful dust bag. And okay, let me take out the box, and yeah, this is the dust bag it comes with. It's a very nice dust bag. The very beautiful thing about the dust bag is this is a tote bag with handle, and this is also a drawstring bag like this, so you can use it as a boat. So this is a nice idea from the brand, I guess. And let's see how the bag is. So yeah, this is the Parisa Wang unlocked top handle bag. I really like this bag, and I bought this one like few months back, and I was planning to make a review, but I couldn't get opportunities to film anything because I was so busy. Anyway, that's another thing. So the Parisa Wang brand is like, it's a comparatively new brand, contemporary brand, but they produce very good quality bags. The leather is very beautiful. I know the most popular bag from their brand is maybe the Madison top handle bag, which is very cute too, but that is like the top handle, I mean the top flap opening, like the Dior, you know, the Lady Dior bag. So I don't actually like that kind of opening, so I chose this one. I did not find any review about this bag. I think only Jenny from the Something Latte showed this bag and the exact this model. Even though I saw that video after I bought this bag. So even that was not a full review, that's just a brief description of this bag. But yeah, very few people actually, most of the influencers are using the Madison top handle bags. And also but I prefer a perfect closure bag, which is like secured, and I opt for this one because this one is like the locked closer. You can just press the button from here, and it's very secure. So yeah, it's not that it cannot open out even if the bag is full. It's not just, you know, it doesn't pop out. And fortunately this bag pack a punch, you know. There are a lot of things inside my bag I can show. And the bag, it's a full grain, I mean 100% calf screen leather. Togo is made from the Togo leather, and I love Togo leather. So when I see they have two options for this bag. One is from the Pebble Togo leather and another one is from the Epsom leather. The Epsom leather one is more structured than this one. This is still like the malleable, I guess, but the Epsom leather one is very you know, it's very structured compared to this one. This one also very structured, but yeah, the Epsom one is the more structured. Okay, so there is a Ferragamo type round ring, which is Parisa Wang embossed here. And in the Madison bag they actually can be removed, but in this bag it cannot. And the lining of the leather is 100, I mean the bag is the 100% leather, which is another good part. It's nothing fabric, nothing, it's full leather lining, and which is very good. And I also appreciate that they use the same color as their trim. trimming. The leather trim is also the same color, which I really appreciate, because I don't like the bag where the bag is one color and the trimming is another. Most of the designer brands like the Louis Vuitton, Gucci, they also make the bag purse where the leather trim is black, and I don't understand why. It's a very nice, I think, gesture that they make the leather trim also the same color as the bag. And also it has 4 feet, which is another nice part. It can stand on its own on the table, and has a cute top handle. You can use this bag as a top handle, which is very cute. And also you can use it as a crossbody, or because it has a long belt with it. You can use it as a shoulder bag, or maybe the crossbody. You can just hook this one in these hooks. Okay, there is a D-ring here, so you just can, yeah, something like that. So you can use it properly with as a crossbody. Doesn't it giving you the Kelly mini vibe? I mean, it's definitely 100% kind of a dupe of Kelly mini, but not a dupe, because it's not a dupe bag. But yeah, it's very like Kelly mini. Anyway, the belt is very comfortable because it's full leather, and this belt has a generous amount of, you know, the adjustment, so you can adjust as with your height. If you wear shoulder or in crossbody, you can adjust it yourself. The buckle is written the Parisa wang, which is very beautiful. And also the tab, they have the belt tab, which is another plus point, you know. I cannot say anything bad about this bag because I used it for a few times and I really love this bag. This bag is actually giving more like a, you know, the formal vibe. I mean, I think it's perfect for the work bag. If you're not opt to carry your laptop and you don't need to carry your laptop, you can easily use this as an office bag or the work bag, because it fits a punch and it is a very structured look. I used it with a casual outfit in a casual way, but I really feel that it's more perfectly as a work bag. Anyway, coming to the interior, I have many things inside. First of all, my phone. This is not my phone, this is my old phone, but my phone is exactly same size like that. I'm using 12 Pro Max, which is a large phone. It fits perfectly. My wallet, my small card holder plus wallet, it's also fit perfectly. Hand sanitizer, lipstick, floss, perfume. Yeah, everything fits quite well in this bag, and it feels very light, not too heavy on the weight. They have a slip pocket inside where you can maybe place your bills or something like that for the easy access. And also they have you know, the back pocket with magnetic closure, which is very nice. You can also keep your phone in this side if you want. The phone fits perfectly, but if you put your phone here, then the magnet doesn't close. I mean, this doesn't close, it will keep open like that. If you're okay with that, you can use this one, but I am not okay with that, so I actually not using this pocket for my phone. I'm using the main compartment for my phone. The best part is it's just an open big compartment, so that more ways, so you can just put so many things. And here I don't find any cons for this bag except one, the opening and closure of this bag. Even though it's very strong and secure, but when I'm using the bag, when it's in my shoulder or I'm using it a crossbody, when I open the bag, it's easily opened, but when I try to close, is I feel I need to struggle sometimes to find that, you know, the hole here. So yeah, I need to just look carefully, and I mean, it takes time to close the bag. Sometimes if I'm not mindful, the bag actually kept like that, and if I'm holding like that bag, so it looks something like that, it's actually kept open. So that's the one thing, the one and only con I found about this bag. But the price I paid for this bag, actually I cannot complain. It was about 300 something. I will put the exact amount in the screen. It was 300 something, and it's a full leather bag, a very nice quality, very nice craftsmanship. So I cannot complain much, because you know, I just need to be a little bit mindful about closing the bag, that's all. So yeah, that's a very short review for this bag. I hope you enjoy it. If you want to buy something from Parisa Wang, they're offering a very beautiful bags. I'm also eyeing on their belt bag, but opening is the same like this bag in the belt bag, so I actually opt not to buy this one at this moment. But yeah, I think that's all for today. A simple review for, maybe I will update my 6 months or 1 year update later on. But for till now, I am so satisfied with this bag, and it's very chic and it looks very cute when you wear it, even in casually. Yeah, that's all for today. If you like this video, please press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I see you on my next video. Bye.